Hey guys, so as I told you a few days ago, I thought Kanye West will be launching a meme coin, and here you can see a confirmation from himself on X. All current coins are fake. I'm launching next week. Now, I know many people are bearish on meme coins right now, but this, if he launches it properly, similar like Trump did, this will most definitely, in my opinion, reach 1 billion, 2 billion, maybe even 10 billion, because I think Kanye West is quite smart and he will get all the best information on how to launch it. Also, there was a rumors that he will be launching, that he was talking with Brian Armstrong, the Coinbase CEO. So there is a huge chance that his meme coin will be listed on Coinbase if he's actually talking with Brian Armstrong, which is insane. This will make the coin even more valuable in market cap and in price. Now, how you can get the information, how you can be early a few seconds after he, for example, posts or launches. The first thing you can do, which is the slowest way, is just go on his X, basically refresh to see if he is tweeting something. And again, he will be launching next week. So not Saturday, not Sunday, maybe Monday, who knows. Now, if you want to be really efficient, what you want to do is go on premium. Now, you will need premium for this. The second option I will show you is free. If you want to track his tweets, you want to go on X Pro. You need premium for this. And the best part about X Pro is that you can create different lists. You can create different tabs of people or groups that you want to follow and see the news from. And why this is great is here. Let's wait till it loads up. Here you can see I am following Dave. I am following Kanye. Now, why this is better than just scrolling is because this updates itself. You don't have to scroll, you don't have to refresh. This will just update seconds after they post. So this is a really great tool. If you have multiple monitors, you can just basically drag this over to your monitor and just wait when something happens. You will be ahead of 99.9% of people, because 99.9% of people will be just scrolling and stumbling upon the news after 5 minutes, 10 minutes, depending on how long or how often you are scrolling on X. So you are already losing 5 to 10 minutes if you are doing it the regular way. So this is the first thing. You will be, after they tweet Dave or Kanye West, it will jump here and update automatically. Now the second thing, maybe even more important, is this platform tool, which is free, BullX. Only thing, this is invite only. That's why my invite link is in the description and in the comment section. Now, why this is huge is because, first of all, you can track different wallets, because there are people that are so fast and they may know before even Kanye tweets if there is some leak, someone leaks the news. And why? How you can find these wallets is really easy. Go on colscan.io. Here we'll see the best meme coin traders. And if you go to the leaderboard, you can see who, for example, made the most money daily today. Someone made 27,000, Creo made 21,000. And you can check their Twitter, Telegram. Really great tool. You can only also basically check by monthly volume. Frank made $1.7 million just trading meme coins. Dave Portnoy, you can track Dave Portnoy's wallet. How you can copy is right here. You just copy, go on BullX, add wallet, write Dave, paste wallet, and I already have added to my wallet list. And the best part is that here you will see all the transactions. The last transaction he did on this public wallet was 3 days ago. Here you can see everything that he's holding, how much he bought, how much he has sold, and how much he has remaining. And if you want to copy, you just can copy contract address here. So really great tool. Now, why I would recommend you to use this tool is, and why I am using this tool is really easy. For example, let's go to some Trump coin. For example, Kanye West coin comes out. You go here, search, you enter the contract address, the Kanye West coin opens up for you. Now you want to buy, you enter the amount right here, 0.1 Solana for example, and you buy the coin. Now, if you press this button, here you can see about the buy button, you can basically gas priority fees. You can customize your gas priority fees. Now, why this is important? Because as Kanye West will be launching his meme coin, he will be posting the address, for example. What everyone will do, they will go, 99.9% of people will go on their phantom wallets or exchanges. They will find the contract address. They will go on Jupiter. So they will enter the or Radium. They will enter the contract address. Now they will have some Solana. When they try to buy, they will have to sign. Approve the token, the Yay token. They will have to sign transaction. If hundreds of thousands of people are buying at the same time, there will be a high chance that Solana will get congested, the transactions will fail, not go through, and you can be stuck for several minutes. For example, when I bought the Melania coin, I was waiting like 15 to 20 minutes until I could buy. By the time I bought, imagine the people that were buying on this platform where you can set your own fees. You can even pay 1 Solana in fees, so you will be the first one to buy, depending how fast you write. But for example, you just set 0.01, you are already ahead of 99.9% of people that will buy this coin. You can also set your slippage. You can set your buy bribe, so this will boost again your speed with which you are buying the coin. You can enable MEMECOIN protection, which means that there are many people using bots and they are trying to front run your transactions. So they are basically, they see that you will buy, they are buying milliseconds before you and dumping after you buy. So they're basically dumping the price on you. So again, you can enable this, and this will make you buy the Kanye West coin if he actually basically posts one and creates one next week. So this will be massive. And imagine if you buy coin because you use BullX tool. Again, invite link is in the description and in the comment section. You buy first, only then 10,000 or 100,000 people buy after you bought, which means they will pump the token after you buy and you will get so huge gains. That's why I'm making so many videos, because I want my community to make money, not lose money, and be fastest basically in buying crypto. Doesn't matter if you buy meme coins or whatever. When the true crypto euphoria comes, there will be so many celebrities creating coins, the legit projects building legit products, creating coins, and still, if something new comes out, someone, I think, for example, Coinbase lists a token, you want to be fast, so you go on BullX and you buy the meme coin or the coin faster than 99.9% of people. And again, go, if you can afford, spend $8.99 for example, next month, because he will be releasing the token next week. So, everyone can afford to spend $9 for this premium account on Twitter, on X, and you will have this option. And as he posts, you will see it immediately. Again, this updates itself. You know how to scroll or stumble upon 10 minutes after he has launched, because that's the most realistic scenario that happens. You're just scrolling and you just find, Kanye West posted 5 minutes ago. You think you are fast, but imagine if you have this and you see 2 seconds ago he posted something. Immediately you copy, go on BullX, search, paste here, and buy. You are buying in seconds, even not in minutes, and most people will be buying after 5 minutes, after 10 minutes. And if they buy on Phantom Wallet, on Radium or Jupiter, it will take them extra a few minutes because they are approving the token, they are signing transactions. If everything goes smoothly, if the chain is congested and there are so many people using Phantom, like hundreds of thousands of people, it will fail their transactions. And if you use this tool, BullX, your transactions will not fail because you will set the gas fees higher. That's why I am making so many videos about this tool. This is the fastest one. Also, the chart is the fastest one. Also, you can actually set your auto sell and auto buy. For example, you see someone creates a coin like Kanye West and you invest like, I don't know, $2,000. If the price dumps 20%, you can set this right here. Stop loss minus 20, you can see here. So you set this. If the price drops by 20%, you have auto sell. If the price goes 70% up and you are okay with making like 70% on your 10,000, which is $7,000, you take the profit. So that's another great tool. You can also do like DCA limit buys, and this is such a great tool, and that's the reason why I'm using it. You can also use many other tools, but I'm basically talking about this one because this is a thing. There is basically everything. You can track wallets. You can also track Twitter here, and I think this is faster than actual Twitter. I'm not sure, but soon you will be able to follow specific accounts. Right now it is just some random people that are talking about crypto, I think. And soon you will be able to actually follow specific people, set alerts for the specific people. And imagine you just hear a sound notification from Kanye West. You go, copy address, paste it on BullX. So I hope this tutorial helped you. And this will help you not just for buying meme coins or following Kanye. You can basically follow everyone you want. If you hear some rumors about someone launching a coin, just create a list. And how you can create is really add column, really easy. Lists, create a new list. Just random name. Next, add members to your list. So here you can see, for example, Brian Armstrong, or I will write Coinbase assets. So this is the account that they are basically announcing new assets listing on Coinbase before actually they list on Coinbase. So right now I will have Deu, Yay, and Coinbase assets. So when something, this account posts about, for example, here saying Kaito was listed, the price goes 2x, 3x, so another great opportunity to be in front, ahead of 99.9% of people. That's why, again, I hope you enjoyed this video. Press like, press subscribe if you enjoyed it. And yeah, thanks for your support. Again, BullX invite link is in the description because this is invite only, but this is free. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, press like, press subscribe, press that notification bell so every time I upload, you get notification instantly and you don't miss out on alpha like this. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.